All right, we dug to the bottom of the pool and we filled it all in with stone. And we used 1.5-inch round rock, washed rock, clean rock. So we have big voids, we're gonna move a lot of water. Now on top of that, we went ahead and installed a quad pack. So we're just not playing here. I mean, when it comes to these in-ground swimming pools, there's just too much invested. All right, so you can see the 1.5-inch round rock. It's like a size of an egg, shape of an egg as well. So we connect one of the bottom to the quad. You can just lose the 3 just like that. Put the Boffman tile end plugs in. Now the reason why the guys took our FDM 12-inch round basin and they have it set up right now for 2 hookups. The reason why is because we are going to also put a drop of a solid pipe in here for the downspouts on one side of the house. I mean, this is beautiful. Honestly, this is best case scenario when it comes to having a really nice situation for your drainage. The guys always think about the sprinkler guys. We don't know, where the fence is going, exactly. So we try to give them options. Also, you can use this poly pipe as a sleeve or a raceway, as we call it, where you just run your, say, low voltage lighting through it. This is just one giant, literally giant vein of stone, man. I mean, this is doing drainage right so that you don't get hydrostatic pressures behind your swimming pool. That's how water gets, behind the liners on these beautiful pools. All right, so now Francisco's gonna swap out, because we wanted that a really big vein of stone, but now we're putting in downspouts. So Francisco's gonna swap out an 18-inch bucket for a 9-inch bucket. And I really love the Kubota setup for this. It's a quick disconnect and reconnect. Literally just a pin. You pull the pin and check it out. So it's called their quick attach. And it doesn't get any better than that, baby. I mean, that's getting the job done right, that's for sure. Very nice, beautiful. Good work, man, good work. That's an operator that knows his equipment. Well done.